Hey everyone, this is Jesse with farmingseattle.com, and I wanted to do a video on the perfect rat bait. I used to have chickens and ducks and all that, and with chickens and ducks you get a ton of rats who are just always trying to get in the coop and get all the feed and whatnot. So recently with the aquaponics system, I planted some sunflower seeds in there to get sunflower microgreens, and there's been a rat that's been digging it up and going in there, and I can see the nest and everything. So I need to go back to setting a trap. So these are just the big rat traps. Usually I have the copper platform or whatever. This one off Amazon has this plastic one that should do. But if you see that, you can always pry, if you have the copper one, just pry that up with a flathead screwdriver, so it's kind of more at like a 45-degree angle or so, rather than like a 90 across. And then what we have is just a little piece of bread and then peanut butter. What you're gonna do, you want basically is a nice ball, a doughy ball that's kind of put together, and if the rat grabs it, it'll be stuck together. So however much peanut butter and bread that makes, but kind of a doughy consistency. Sometimes you need to put some water in there to make it a little easier to put together. We'll see if this works. But once you get a pretty good dough ball, I think I'm going to need some water. Because it's just falling apart. Let me put some water on that. Okay, yeah. So put some water on it. It'll get doughy. And basically, we want to form that on the rat trap as a solid piece of dough with peanut butter in there. Okay. So that's a pretty good chunk. It doesn't have to be huge or anything. So that's the finished product. And you just stick it on there. Kind of make sure it sticks, and sometimes you can get too big of a ball or whatnot, but that should kind of dry up and stick to it, and so the rat will try and get at it and flip the trap. So if the trap keeps snapping with the bait on there, it's probably because there's too much, so you can always take a little bit off, but that should be the best rat trap. I've probably got, I don't know, 30 or 40 rats this way just by using this method. So if you're having rat problems, try this. Thanks for watching.